let's talk about value for a second. In the anti-aging world, people are spending thousands of dollars on genetic tests, supplements, peptide injections, red light therapy, you name it. But here's the irony. One of the most powerful strategies for living longer and aging better is totally free. No procedures, no fancy spas or retreats, no expensive miracle supplements. In this video, I'm going to show you what that strategy is, why it quietly outperforms the trends, and how to use it in your real life starting right now. So before we get ahead of ourselves, I need to tell you an important story. A few years ago, I met a woman, and we can call her Irene. She was 84. She lived alone with her little dog, and she had so much energy. I remember her with these clear eyes, and there was just this lightness to her that I rarely see in people her age. She moved with so much confidence. She remembered names and dates like somebody basically half her age. And when I asked her what she did for her health, she smiled and she said this to me. She said, "Oh, honey, I walk every single morning, rain or shine." And that was it. No big secret, no fancy regimen, just one thing done every single day, clearly for several decades. And I remember that moment because it really stuck with me. It reminded me of something that I've seen again and again in my work as a doctor. The people who age well often aren't doing more, they're doing less. But they're doing it consistently. Yet, that is not what we're sold at all. You see, the health and the wellness industries thrive on complexity. New trends, new devices, new solutions every day. And you're told that you need a continuous glucose monitor, a $500 powder added to your morning drink every day, a peptide protocol customized to your own DNA. And if you're not doing those things, it's easy to feel like you're falling behind. But all that noise is keeping most people distracted from what actually does work. And even when people know what matters most, they still struggle to stay consistent. So this is something that I hear from my patients in clinic and in the hospital nearly every day. And it's actually why I created a space where we focus on just the things that work. And if you've been looking for that kind of structure or support, there's a link in the description below the video for more information you can explore after. But right now, I want to show you what the real longevity hack is. So the number one longevity hack is your habits. Not new technology, not specialized treatments, not high-ticket programs. The things that extend your life and make life worth living are the small actions you repeat every single day. So let me walk you through the three most important habit categories. Category number one is how you eat. This is not just about calorie counting or following a perfect diet plan. Instead, it's about choosing real, nutritious food, at least most of the time. This means that comes from the earth or raised from healthy animals, from nature, not just factories. Eating in a balanced way supports your blood sugar, your hormones, your digestion, and yes, even your mood. When you get this right consistently, you don't just prevent disease for later, you'll unlock stable energy now. You'll have fewer cravings, and you're going to instill a relationship with food that feels really peaceful again. And probably some of you have had this experience at some point where you've gone through a period of time and you were not eating well and you felt the consequences. It really doesn't have to be fancy to be efficient. It just has to be real and it has to be repeated. So, what's the second category? It's how you move and how you rest. You don't necessarily need to train like an athlete here. You really just need to keep moving your body every day in a way that's doable. Could be like Irene. Could just be a daily walk that you don't quit on. Or it could be stretching. Could be resistance training. Maybe it's dancing or biking for you. It all counts. Whatever you're into is the thing you should keep doing. Because the key is consistency. Movement that feels good, not like you're punishing yourself. And equally important is the rest. So your body really can't thrive without recovery. That means all of the following: sleeping enough and sleeping regularly, turning off the screens, taking those breaks, and yes, sometimes even taking a nap. You don't necessarily need a fitness tracker to tell you this. You will feel it. Of course, it's nice to know that you hit your 10,000 steps for the day, but the body is going to know if you did or not, whether you realize it. Because when you move and you rest enough, your body will just respond so beautifully and a lot of things will start to improve for you, usually many symptoms. So then, what's the third area? Hey, real quick before we keep going, if this video is resonating with you and you've been thinking, I really need to start making some changes, but I don't want to do it alone, well, I want you to know you don't have to. I created a private community called Take Back Your Life, and inside, I walk you step by step through a process that will help you lose weight, regain your energy, and feel like yourself again, confident, in control, and full of life. It is not a quick fix, but it's a proven lifestyle shift that was designed for real people like you with real lives. You'll learn how to build the habits that actually matter with the support of others who are on the exact same journey. So if you've been looking for something deeper, something meaningful, and something that works and lasts, well, there's a link below this video in the description where you can read more about it after this. All right, let's get back to the video. So then, what's the third area? It's how you connect. What do I mean? This is really the most overlooked one, and in my opinion, it's one of the most powerful. You see, longevity is not just physical. It's emotional, it's relational, it's even spiritual. This means spending time with people who fill up your cup, doing hobbies and activities that light you up and make you excited to be alive. It's about managing your stress in a healthy way and treating yourself with compassion, not just criticism. And for a lot of people around the world who are engaged in religion, having faith is a big part of this. So making sure that you pay attention to these aspects of yourself and your life that are not just in the physical realm, well, this all plays in here. So you don't have to necessarily meditate on a mountaintop to get this right. You can just engage with what makes life meaningful for you, and you make time for it. These are the habits that make the real difference at the end of the day. And the best part, all of these, they're free. Yet, so many people get caught up in the things they typically don't need at all, like a drawer full of supplements, or the newest device or test, or another short-term program that's meant to be completed in just 30 or 60 days, and then what? Instead, you really need a system that works in your real life, habits that support you automatically, and a rhythm that brings health back down to earth. That is the hack that nobody's selling because you already own it. Now, I really want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below what is one expensive trend or product that you've tried. And don't feel ashamed. We've all tried something and bought into something at some point. But tell us one thing that you're now realizing wasn't worth it. Let me know. I do read every comment, and I want to hear what people have experienced so that we can kind of learn from each other. And if you really want to keep learning about how to build a healthy life in a very simple and grounded way, there are so many more videos on my channel that can help you. You can start watching those right now. And when you do, I will see you over there.